Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to hide friends list on Facebook. So let's get into it. First of all, open Facebook. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right of Facebook. In the drop-down menu, click Settings and Privacy. Click Settings. Scroll down to Audience and Visibility and tap How People Find and Contact You. Tap Who Can See Your Friends List. Select the audience of people you'd like to have access to your friends list. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.